New cybersecurity threats emerge practically every day, especially as digital transformation proliferates and evolution of remote work creates increasingly sophisticated security risks. As a security engineer, you can secure your future while working on the front lines of digital defense, helping tackle one of the biggest challenges companies are facing today: protecting our data. With Udacity's Security Engineer Nanodegree program, you can be an integral part of your company's cybersecurity strategy. Learn how to anticipate network vulnerabilities and design penetration tests to discover security solutions that will keep you a step ahead of the next threat. By the time you graduate, you'll have demonstrated an ability to perform threat modeling, respond to security breaches and intrusions, address security vulnerabilities, and more. You'll learn from instructors with real-world experience in actively identifying emerging threats to enterprise systems. From engineers to executives, our instructors will teach best practices in designing a robust security system that keeps your digital architecture safe. They'll help train you towards becoming a key part of your business's digital defense. Threat adversaries are constantly changing. As a security engineer, you can count on your role to stay in demand and exciting in this crucial industry. Elevate your IT expertise and level up your skills in one of the most compelling fields in tech. Enroll in Udacity's Security Engineer Nanodegree program today.